1. Multi-million-dollar mansions, $100 million plus. Beverly Hills Mansion, $27.8 million, 6 bedrooms, a tennis court, home gym. Florida Estate, $5 million, luxury pool, home theater, and custom gym. Georgia Farmhouse, $9.5 million, 46 acres of land, horse stables, and a private lake. Hawaii Villa, $10 million beachfront property with private beach access. The Rock's real estate portfolio is as impressive as his career. He's not just building wealth, he's building a legacy. 2. Luxury car collection, $5 million plus. Pagani Huayra, $2.6 million, custom built for his massive frame. Ford GT, $500,000, one of the fastest street-legal cars. Rolls-Royce Wraith, $350,000, custom interior and premium features. Cadillac Escalade, $100,000, his everyday ride. The Rock isn't just about muscle cars. He drives in style with a collection worth millions. 3. Private jet, Gulfstream G650, $65 million. Seats up to 19 people. Top speed of 690 miles per hour. Fully customized with premium leather seats and entertainment system. When The Rock needs to travel, he flies in style with one of the fastest private jets in the world. 4. Teremana Tequila, $3.5 billion valuation. Founded in 2020. Sold over 1 million cases in its first year. Currently valued at over $3.5 billion. Teremana isn't just a tequila brand, it's The Rock's ticket to billionaire status. 5. Hollywood Paychecks, $100 million plus per year. Red Notice, 2021, $50 million, biggest paycheck of his career. Jungle Cruise, 2021, $22 million upfront. Fast and Furious franchise, $20 million plus per movie. Black Adam, 2022, $23 million upfront plus box office bonuses. The Rock doesn't just act, he dominates the box office. 6. Endorsements and business ventures, $50 million plus annually. Under Armour, Project Rock, fitness apparel line. Zoa Energy, energy drink company. Voss Water, stakeholder and brand ambassador. From fitness to beverages, The Rock's brand is everywhere, and it's paying off. 7. Custom clothing and jewelry, $2 million plus. Custom suits, each tailored suit costs over $10,000. Luxury watches, includes a Rolex Day-Date, $40,000, and a Patek Philippe Nautilus, $150,000. Gold chains and rings, over $500,000 worth of custom pieces. From the red carpet to his workouts, The Rock's wardrobe is built for a king. 8. Custom home gym, $500,000 plus. Iron Paradise, a fully customized gym that he builds at each home and movie set. State-of-the-art equipment from brands like Rogue and Life Fitness. Travel gym setup.
Gym that travels around with you no matter what movie you're doing, is that right?
I do, yes. As a matter of fact, well, because training in public gyms just became too much of a crazy zoo. So I figured the easiest thing for me to do was just to create a gym and make sure that it travels with me everywhere I go. One of the anchors that makes the experience so special is every morning at 5 a.m. I get up and I come here to my Iron Paradise. This is my traveling carnival, the traveling circus. There's over 40,000 pounds of twisted steel, sex appeal, and heartache, a lot of heartache. But this is a lot of shit to move around and set up. It's my anchor, plus traveling in a gym like this eliminates all the bullshit excuses not to get the job done and get to work.
9. Exotic vacations. $1 million plus per year. Hawaii, French Polynesia, and the Maldives, private beachfront villas. $100,000 per night. Luxury accommodations with private chefs and personal staff. Chartered yachts and helicopters for exclusive access to hidden spots. When The Rock takes a break, he spares no expense to unwind in paradise. 10. Private chef and nutritionist, $500,000 plus annually. Full-time chef specializing in high-protein meals and clean eating. Nutritionist team monitoring macros and adjusting meal plans for peak performance. Massive daily diet, over 5,000 calories and 7 meals a day. Fueling a body like The Rock's takes more than just a meal plan. It's a full-time job